Okay, so with your AEG, you want to see tracer rounds, but you're too cheap to go out and buy a tracer unit. And here's a less expensive way that you can do that. What you're going to need is a green light. Now, this costs $19. You can get this off of Amazon. Okay, it's a little green light that you can mount onto your AEG or blowback if you prefer to use a blowback. It works just fine. This is a little green light. Now it has a Picatinny attachment. You just slide it over your rail, and I have a battery in here. I'll light it up for you. So, give me a second here, get this twisted in. Okay, it's just a green light. Oops, I didn't put the battery in correct. Okay, battery in that way, there we go. Nice green light, okay. And what you do is you just mount that onto your AEG, and it only costs you 20 bucks. And I'll show you how I have it mounted on this one AEG that I have here. Okay, I have it mounted on the bottom of the rail, and I have a pressure switch on it. Okay, and all you do is press the light and let it go, and you will get tracer rounds, and it will work with the glow BBs and it will work with the regular BBs, surprisingly. So we'll take a look at what we have and how the tracer rounds look. Okay, as you can see, the green light, it illuminates the rounds, and you get a nice tracer effect for only $19. And again, you can hook this up without the pressure switch, or you can hook it up as I have it here with the pressure switch. Okay, and you will have lots of fun watching your BBs glow with a nice tracer line. I hope this helped you if you wanted to avoid paying the cost of a tracer unit and you still want tracer rounds. This is the cheap way of doing it. Alright, thanks for watching as always, and like and subscribe if you liked what you saw and heard.